Hey guys, got a new watch. So I just opened this little seal here, and I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. So let's see what's inside. I haven't even opened this yet myself, so enjoy your new Christopher Ward. Got a little pull tab here or something. Ah. Oh wow, look at that. The whole thing pulls out of the box in one little present. Alright, let's see what we got. Here, I'll open it on top of this. Okay. There's their new logo. The flag says Christopher Ward on the front. Let's pop this open. Front falls open. The lid opens up. Another piece of dense foam here. Well, they've really stepped up their packaging since the last one I got. I have a Trident Pro 600, and this is definitely nicer. Packaging down here. Let's take a look at that real quick. I'll do a review and look through everything, but let's see. We got paperwork, certification, little cleaning cloth. All right. Let's open up the watch itself. Oh, kind of stuck here. So they're using this dense foam. It's interesting. They kind of forewent the pillow, and they're using the dense foam instead. Anyway, there she is. I'll do a review later.